Hi dear students, this is the third video about the chapter and it is about area of the triangle. And we are going to continue the area of triangle by using the help of area of parallelogram. Firstly, the figure is parallelogram, and when I divide by the diagonal, you know what the diagonal is, you are going to get two congruent triangle, two same triangle. And I'm going to show their same. But before then that one, I want to show that the area of the, I want to remind you about the area of the parallelogram was equal to the base length times it was the perpendicular height. Perpendicular height it was. So this is the area of the parallelogram, and I'm going to show that these triangles, they're identical triangles here. They're equal to each other, and this is the second triangle. Then I'm going to rotate the triangle, and I'm going to try to put over the first triangle here, this one, and you're going to see that these are identical triangles here, this one. When I send this one behind, you're going to see only one triangle, as you see. So the area of the triangle here, I can show like this. So this parallelogram is the sum of two area of the triangles. So area of the triangle and area of the triangle, they are same. And this is equal to base length times perpendicular height, which is area of parallelogram. Okay, with respect to that one, the area of parallelogram, it's going to be this triangle's area and this triangle's area. If they are equal to each other, it means that they are same, and I'm going to add them. Area of triangle plus area of triangle, it's going to be 2 times area of triangle. And if 2 times of area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram, it means that area of parallelogram over 2, it's going to give us area of triangle. And with respect to this one, if I rewrite the formula, area of triangle is going to be equal to area of parallelogram is base length, which we show with b, and perpendicular height is h, b times h over 2, which is also can be written 1 over 2 times b times h. Also it is possible, which way you like. So this is the formula, and here the important part, base and of course perpendicular height. Here from one corner you're going to draw the perpendicular height to the one side. That becomes the base of the triangle. And with respect to perpendicular height, you're deciding about your base. If you are drawing from this side to this one, this corner to this one, this becomes the base. In some cases, let's say from this corner, you cannot draw directly to the opposite side. So here, this point is the extension of the base, and in some cases it is possible. Okay, let's continue with some exercises. Find the area of the triangle, it says here, and as you see here, the base length is equal to 7, and the height it's equal to 6. So area of the triangle, it's going to be equal to b times h divided by 2, which is equal to 7 times 6 divided by 2. I can multiply them, but it's easy always for me to simplify before multiplying. 6 and 2, they are both divisible by 2, so this divides, and by 2 it's going to be equal to, this is 3, this is going to be 1. So 7 times 3 divided by 1, it's going to be equal to 21 over 1, which is equal to 21. In the second exercise, the area of the triangle, it is given. This time they are asking for the base length. And by the way, here it is given also the perpendicular height. So h is equal to 6, and the area, it's going to be equal to, let me solve the question with different color to show that they're different. Here, the area, it's going to be equal to 19.5 centimeters square. So let's write the formula. Area of the triangle, this is area of the triangle, is equal to b times h divided by 2. 19.5 is equal to the 6 times h is base times 6. Base times 6 divided by 2. Here it can be also like this, 6 and 2. You may simplify and you can get this is 3 and this is 1. And here 19.5, it's going to be equal to 3b. 3 times b divided by 1. And the b value 19.5, it's going to be equal to, divided by 3, it's going to be equal to, b, and that's equal to b, it's going to be, and the result of it here, if we divide, I'm going to get this one a bit up here, and b is equal to 19 point divided by 3. Approximately it's going to be, not approximately, it's going to be 6.5. 195 divided by 195 divided by 3, by 3, it's going to be 6 times 100, 6 times 3, it's going to be equal to 18, and when you subtract, it's going to be 1. 5 comes down, 15, in 15 there is 5 times 3, it's 15, and the result is 0, 0 here, and since it is 19.5 divided by 3, the answer is going to be 6.5. So the b value, the base length, it's going to be equal to 6.5.